Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is January 24th, 2017. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, looking at this market, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures right now trading higher by just a quarter point. So they're basically flat on the session. Actually, they're flat at the moment, 22.62 per contract. All in all, when you look at this market, we've been all over the map. But today we are waking up to a flat open this morning. So we'll see how this all plays out. We'll see what opportunities present themselves. And again, if you want to trade alongside of us, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We are going to look at a lot of stocks today, and so we're going to get right into the stocks that are reporting earnings. And first one I'm going to start off with is a behemoth Chinese ADR. It's called Alibaba. Alibaba right now trading at 102.25. Stock closed yesterday at 98.41. I'm going to give Alibaba the upside to around the 104.50, 105 level. This is a strong name in an uptrend, breaking out of a sideways base. So all in all, Alibaba does have a little bit more upside. I don't really see it getting much past the 104.50 level though. But if you own it, trail the stop loss up to that level. If you don't own it, I don't know if I really want to do much here. Again, we'll be looking at this one once the opening bell rings in the intraday stock chat room. Now, anytime you think of Alibaba, you usually think of Yahoo. I believe they also had numbers as well. Yahoo right now trading at $43.55. Stock closed at $42.40. Remember, they are being bought out by Verizon. So all in all, I don't know if we can make too much out of it, but I don't see a lot of upside here for Yahoo. I would think 44 probably is the most I could see in this name. So we'll see how it plays out. Again, Yahoo is ticking up a little bit on that news. We may as well talk about Verizon because they reported earnings as well. Stock is getting hit a little bit. It closed at $52.41. Right now trading at $50.79. A level I do like for Verizon Communications this morning, if it gets there, would be $48.10. Verizon gets down to $48.10, I will be looking to jump on board for a day trade. So again, keep that level on the radar for Verizon today at $48.10. Next up, we're going to talk about a company called Tableau. DATA is the ticker symbol there. And you can see this stock right now is catching a pretty good bid. Stock is trading at $46.30, closed at $44.71. I have to think at this level, though, you're coming into pretty good resistance points. So if you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, I would not be chasing Tableau software at this level. But either way, good little pop this morning. And again, it should be hitting resistance around this area very, very shortly. Let's look at DuPont. They have reported earnings as well. Stock is trading at $72.28. No volume here this morning, but they reported earnings, so this could be a mover. So you want to keep a couple levels on the radar. 71.35 is the first level. Next level I really like is a lot lower. I'll give that out in the intraday stock chat room if we need it. But short-term support at 71.35 for DuPont. Remember, they are merging with Dow Chemical, so you do want to keep that on in the back of your mind. These are just day trade levels. Next up, we're going to take a look at Travelers Insurance, TRV. Stock right now is trading at $118.50. Closed at $118.04, so it's upticking a little bit. Again, nothing great, nothing terrible. Not much we're going to look to do with this one right off the bat. We will wait and see what kind of pattern we get once the opening bell rings and the session is underway. Let's take a look at Johnson & Johnson. JNJ is a ticker symbol there. Stock is trading at $112.46, closed at $113.91. So this is trickling down a little bit. You will have some short-term support, probably around the 111.25 level, but your best bet today is going to be around the 109.35 level. If it gets to 109.35, I think it's pretty good risk-reward for a long day trade there. Let's take a look at PHG. This is Phillips. Stock right now is trading at $29.13, closed at $30.06. Level I like for this name today, if it does make new lows here. So the low this morning, I believe, was $28.94. If we break below there, watch the $26.75 level. $26.75 should be an excellent, excellent level for Phillips today. So keep that on the radar. Let's take a look at ATI, which is Allegheny. Stock right now is trading at $17.75. Nice little uptick there. Stock closed at $16.99 yesterday. This is one that has a lot of resistance points above. So, again, I don't know if there's much to do here. Again, we'll look at it once the opening bell rings, but I'm going to stay neutral on this name at the moment. Let's take a look at D.R. Horton, which is DHI, ticker symbol there. Home builder. This stock right now is trading at $29.76. This is a good little pop here. I have to think you're into pretty good resistance here around this level, but nonetheless, stock is trading higher. But again, I'm not seeing a whole lot more upside in the cards here for this name. So be a little bit careful. If you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, I would not be chasing it here. Here's a stock that I'm hoping to have a gap play on. This is Lockheed Martin. Stock is selling off pretty sharply. We will be looking at this one a little bit later. I'm going to try to have gap levels for you on this in the intraday stock chat room. Again, Lockheed Martin coming under some severe pressure. Stock closed at $257.48 yesterday. It is now trading at $248. So I will have a gap level in the intraday stock chat room on Lockheed Martin today. Next up, we're going to take a look at SAP. This is German firm. Stock is trading at $89.51, closed at $89.30. Just a little uptick there, not much. So we'll wait for this one, and we'll see what kind of pattern it forms once the intraday action opens up. And again, this will be on our radar, but right now it's not doing a whole lot. Let's take a look at Polaris, ticker symbol PII. This is trading at $84.27. No, this is a big. This stock doesn't trade a million shares a day, so it can really overshoot levels. So there's not a whole lot I would do with it here. Again, still looks like there is some support around the $79 level if it gets there, but it is a little bit higher risk just because of the volume that it presents each and every day. So just be aware of that. All right, let's shift gears here a little bit. Let's go over to the gold market. Gold is trading down $1.80 to $1,213.80 an ounce. If you take a look at the GLD this morning, you'll see that that is down ticked just a touch. Closed at 115.79, trading at 115.70. So gold is down less than 2 points this morning. Crude oil getting a bid today. That's up 40 cents to $53.14 a barrel. If you take a look at the USO, which is a good oil ETF, that's trading at $11.38. That's up about 6 cents from yesterday's close. So oil's up a touch. Gold is down a touch. That's kind of where we are this morning with those two commodities, but the reality of it is we have earnings season underway. Lots of stocks out here. We had a great banner day yesterday in intraday stock chat room, and again, if you want to come over and trade alongside of us today, come and do so. We're looking to do it again, and again, volatility should be kicking in. We have new president Donald Trump. He could say something about a company at any time and could give us some trading action. Also, you have a lot of earnings, as I said before, out each and every morning before and after the closing bell. So again, we're going to get pretty good morning volatility today. With that being said, everybody, I want to wish you all a great trading session, and we will see you all on the charts. Take care now.